O si Fernando Villanueva. As of 9/26/2025, 3 taon na ako rito. Attendance summary, ang authorized absent, July, wala, August, wala, September, wala. Late, July 10, August 7, September 9. Half day, July, wala, August 1, September 1. Leave, under type, suspension, wala po parehas. IR ko, July 3, August 5, September 3. EBR, July 3, August 1, September 1. Ang pinakamataas pong rate ay noong July 2025. Under time ko is wala. Ang authorized absent is wala. Sa sales, actual amount, June 57,182. July 78,020 pesos. August 39,253. Transaction count, June 83, July 78, August 77. Ang high sales ko ay noong July 2025 with transaction count of 78. Work order last month, total customer wala, total amount wala po. Last month back order ko ay wala with total amount of 0. EBR last 5 months ko, violation count, no signature on erasure, 4, neglect of duty, 3, incomplete fill out of sales form, 1, cellphone not surrender, incomplete fill out, 1. Total violation of May 1, June 4, July 3, August 1, September 1. Bumaba ang EBR ko last month ng wala. Ang EBR ko ay mostly about no signature on erasure, neglect of duty. Upang maiwasan ito, deklaro muna si customer sa item na pinili niya. Active IR number 11170, report by Jerry, deadline September 30, issue hit price for replacement, sira ang spring ng plate, dikit sa mat, cost of damage. Ito po yung hit price na to is tapos na po ito, napalitan na po ito. Tapos yung isa naman po is IR 11672, report by Gemma, deadline September 30, sublimation window display, ongoing po ito. May IR pending ako na dalawa, overdue ko dito ay wala. Magagawa ko ito. Humihingi pa po kami ng panlagay po namin sa sublimation po. Search demo ko ay may dalawang good, 0 possible, 0 paid, 0 sa food sublimation, give ideas, good. Tapos use performance analysis. Sa price po is 11, item code is 10, process 19, missing inventory is 1. Jacket quiz 30, good 85%, 35 over 41. Sa 4 is 72%, 8 out of 11. Excellent is 100%, 10 of 10. Passable 80%, 16 over 19. Excellent is 100%, 1 of 1 po. Inventory is 4, price is 14, item code is Sham, process Sham, color is 4. Pen and notebook, August 2025, 30. Good 82%, 33 over 40. Failed 50%, 2 out of 4. Good 92%, 13 over 14. Possible 88%, 8 over 9. Satisfactory is 77%, 7 out of 9. Satisfactory 75%, 3 out of 4. Design is 14, material is 5. Sa sublimation booklet quiz 18, excellent 100%, 19 over 19, excellent 100%, 14 out of 14, Sa, tapos, 100% sa excellent, 5 out of 5. Ang coworker review ko, average is good, 3.30. Sa punctuality is 3, dependability 3.67, product knowledge is 3.33, sales skill is 3, work quantity is 3, work quality is 3.33, communication is 3.33, solution oriented is 3.33, flexibility 3.33, team player 3.67. Ako worker review ko ay may average na 3.30, good is 8, passable is wala, poor is wala. May improve ko sa pamagitan ng siguro is yung dagdag ko yung kaalaman about dun sa mga store ko. Tapos yung positive comment sa akin is 12, negative comment is wala. Tapos yung general comment sa akin is mas napapagaan ng trabaho since nagbibigay ng voices or sa pamagitan ng pagjojoke o pagbibiro. Self-awareness ko dapat ko improve ay yung pagbibigay ng kaalaman sa mga kasamahan kong bago po. Masaya po ako sa mga nabanggit tungkol sa akin.